If you're seeing AnyDesk Error 110, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get your connection working again. This error usually appears when a firewall, antivirus, incorrect system time, or a stuck AnyDesk process is blocking the connection. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to check whether your antivirus or firewall is interfering with AnyDesk. Sometimes Windows security settings or third-party antivirus software blocks the app from making a stable connection. To start, temporarily disable your antivirus if you have one running, just for testing purposes. You don't want to leave it off forever, but this helps confirm whether it is the cause of the error. Next, click the search bar on your Windows taskbar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then go to Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In the list, look for AnyDesk. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are ticked for AnyDesk. This is important because if AnyDesk is blocked on one network type, the connection can fail with error 110. Once you've confirmed both boxes are checked, click OK to save the settings. If you're still getting the error, the next fix is to force relay mode. This is useful when direct connections are failing and AnyDesk needs to route the session through its servers instead. To do this, go to the remote desk bar inside AnyDesk and type the ID you are trying to connect to, followed by /npcode. For example, if the ID is 192345678 and this tells AnyDesk to try a different connection method that can bypass the error. Now let's verify your system time, because incorrect date and time settings can also cause connection issues. Right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click Adjust Dated and Time. In the settings window, turn on Set Time automatically, then scroll if needed and click Sync Now. This forces Windows to update the clock properly, which can help fix authentication and connection problems with AnyDesk. If none of that worked, the next thing to try is closing and restarting AnyDesk tasks. Sometimes a corrupted session or a background process gets stuck and causes error 110. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Look through the list for all instances of AnyDesk. If you find any, select them and click End Task. Make sure every AnyDesk process is closed, then reopen AnyDesk and try connecting again. In many cases, a clean restart is enough to clear the error. At this point, you should test the connection again and see if the issue is resolved. If it still isn't working, go back and double check each step carefully, especially the firewall permissions and system time settings, because those are the most common causes. Also remember that antivirus software can sometimes re-enable its own protections, so if the error returns, check those settings again. I hope this guide helped you fix AnyDesk Error 110 quickly and safely. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.